Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. On today's video, we're going to be installing this carbon fiber drive shaft. This drive shaft is a two-piece design that uses only one hanger instead of two, like the factory one. Also, it has serviceable U-joints, so that way you can replace them if need be in the future. I believe this thing weighs roughly about 18 pounds lighter than the stock one, and that's rotational mass, so it definitely is going to help the car accelerate better. And if I had to say, if you could modify one thing on a car to improve it, this would be it. I know it's not practical as your first mod to do, being that it's, $1,800 plus, but the acceleration and just the response from the vehicle is amazing.
The bracket that comes with it is perfect. No modifications necessary. The drive shaft is more responsive, smoother transfer of power, and capable of over 900 horsepower.
In addition, it comes with these bolts and these two little spacers that bolt up to the chassis. And I ended up getting off of STM's website OEM Evo 8 rear diff bolts and nuts to secure this thing to my TRE rear diff. Let's get to installing this thing on the car. bolted up and secured to the chassis. Overall, I'd say that wasn't too bad to install. It's pretty lightweight, so it's not too bad to lift up on your own. I do recommend getting a creeper if you don't have one. That way you're not like shimmying on your back trying to get underneath there. Makes it a lot easier. That's going to be a wrap on this video, guys. Next up on the car is going to be an install of a battery, actually a relocation kit of the battery. Since I put the original one in my Evo 9 and I no longer have the Evo 9, I got to order up all that stuff as far as the fusible link. And since we are doing a relocation on this thing, it has a pretty good location from the factory in the back of the trunk, but I wanted to put the lower center of gravity on the vehicle by mounting the battery on the floorboard in the passenger rear. So I'm going to be customizing my positive cable on this car. Anyways, you'll see all that in the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you liked it, smash that like button and also subscribe. Till next time.